A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Hey, you. Yeah, you may attack. You didn't know say Jesus know everything about you. Eh? You start following him yet? Or you wait till you find out more about him first? All right, come with me. Because today, me I go read from the good news about Jesus as according to John chapter 1 from verse 35 to verse 51. The next day, John did there at the said place with two I'm follower them. Now, Jesus did a walk past and John see him and shout out, "Who no look, see God baby sheep there?" As John says so, him two follower them start follow back at Jesus. When Jesus turn around and see them, him ask them say, "I wanna want." So them answer him and say, "Rabbi, where you live?" Rabbi in a Fidem language mean teacher. Come, Jesus say, "Uno come, and uno will see which part me stay." I did about 4 o'clock at evening. So them go and see which part him did I live, and them turn him yard for the rest of the day. Simon Peter did have one brother named Andrew. Now, Andrew I did one of John two follower them, where did follow Jesus after the year where John did say about him. The first thing Andrew do after he meet Jesus, I find him brother, Simon, and tell him say, "We find the Messiah," in a Fidem language that mean Christ. And in carry Simon go which part Jesus did there. When Jesus sees Simon, him look upon him and say, "You are Simon, John boy picnic. From now on, your name Cephas in a Fidem language. That they are the name for Peter." The next day, Jesus make up his mind for left go to Galilee. He find one man named Philip and said to him, say, "Follow back at me." Philip did come from one town named Bethsaida, the same place Andrew and Peter come from. After Jesus find him, Philip find Nathanael and tell him, say, "We find somebody where Moses write about in the law. They said one the prophet them write about too. Him named Jesus, and he come from Nazareth. Him a Joseph boy picnic." But Nathanael said to Philip, say, "Nazareth, nothing good can come out of that the place there." So Philip said to him, say, come see for yourself." When time Jesus see Nathanael come which part him there, this I want to say about him. "Kuya, the man ya our Israelite for true. The man ya not tell no lie." Nathanael said to him, say, "How come you know me?" Jesus answered him and said, "Me see you from when you did under the fig tree before Philip called you." When Nathanael heard Jesus said that day, him say, "Rabbi, teacher, you are God boy pitney for true. You are the king where rule over Israel." So Jesus said to him, say, "You believe in me? Come me tell you, say, me did see you under the fig tree." You're going to say bigger sitting than that. Then him say, "Me I tell you if it true. Say you're going to see the sky open up. And you know, go see God angel them go up in heaven and I come down upon the earth to the man where God pick." A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.